Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that Bitcoin climbed from 93 to 98 in less than 24 hours, but ever since crossing 98, it has caused a lot of uncertainty in the altcoin market as it's not able to cross the 100k. But just keep in mind, in the background there is a lot of whales which are actually manipulating the market, and that's the reason crossing the 100k is going to get a lot of people liquidated. Just to give you perspective, about 2 billion will be liquidated if Bitcoin jumps over 100,600. And on the other end, you can see that new whales are being created which want to purchase a lot of Dogecoin. $180 million worth of Dogecoin purchase at the price of 40.7. So definitely this person sees a huge potential in the price increase still, and Dogecoin jumps on the fresh X payment speculation by Elon Musk's tweet. And today you guys know that Doge is doing pretty big numbers, and Elon and Vivek are launching a Doge podcast. This could be game changer for the American people. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market and get the whole day scoop very quickly, make sure you go down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. You just update to go then push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. The higher user engagement, more inflow of cash, and the market will keep climbing, and a lot of us will make a lot of money. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys this. Now you can see that Bitcoin is pretty much sitting at 99,000. It's just under by a slight margin. Now, if you look at the last 7 days, you'll realize that from climbing from, let's say, 91,000 all the way to 98,000, it took less than 2 days. Now, since then, it's been consolidating. It's been over 48 hours since reaching 98,000, but it's very clear that one time it made it all the way to 99,600, but then it was rejected. What does this mean? Well, in simple terms, there is a lot of whales which are betting against Bitcoin hitting 100,000, and that's why every single time it gets closer to 100k, it gets rejected, because there is so many whales which are deciding to sell. Now, there was a little bit of a correction that we experienced about 8 hours ago, which took the price all the way down to 97,000, but you can see that the bulls are trying to hold up the market as much as possible, and that's the reason the reversal in less than 1 hour put us back to the original price. If we talk about Dogecoin, you guys can see that ever since it retested close to 35 cents, it's not gone back down there. It was able to climb very quickly to 41 cents. Then there was a little bit of rejection, but the lower lows keep getting higher, as you can see that the uptrend was formed. It's very clear that the uptrend is going to be carrying on. The only thing that Dogecoin needs to do right now is make sure it's able to climb over the 44 cents. I know we're sitting at 41.5, but this is a critical zone to ensure that the market keeps climbing. It does not want to slow down. If it decides to slow down, it can have a little bit of correction to 39 cents and then rebound again. But the only thing that we're looking for right now is we need to ensure that Dogecoin is able to climb 44 cents, and more speculations towards X payments can definitely fuel that crypto market, and especially Dogecoin. Talking about the open interest, it's up another 20% today. That should give you perspective how many people are actually paying attention to Dogecoin, and not just people, whales which have tons of money. Now, 3 billion or 3.1 billion open interest is quite impressive, and even though the market climbed this much, you can see that the long traders are not showing any signs of slowing down. For 74% are still holding their long position. You would expect that the market climbed this much that some of them will decide to take profit and walk away. Well, it's a different case. And if you talk about the liquidations, let's just say the short traders did not have a good day. Usually the long and the short liquidations would have a huge margin, but right now the shorts are actually being liquidated a little bit more. And you can see that the price is still breaking out. This is one of the rejections that we are experiencing right now, but if we are able to climb over this, big things are ahead. Now, talking about Elon Musk's tweet, this is the tweet that's actually speculated all of this. This photo was posted by Elon Musk on X. My speculation is that $sign button is used for sending money to someone as part of X payments. And our boy Elon simply responded by saying true. I mean, it does make sense because finally it took nearly 1 year to get X payments working properly, but the fact now they are showing signs of it working properly is quite impressive. Just to show you guys in action, if we just go to an account, you can see that there is a button that you will be able to send through Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now right now they have not implemented Dogecoin yet, but if it is implemented, it's definitely going to have even bigger impact on the price, just by the fact that, you know, X payments is finally going to be working can have this sort of impact on the Dogecoin price right now. You know for a fact that if it gets implemented, let's just say if Dogecoin is implemented properly, it could have even a bigger impact. Honestly, right now we have a long way to go for Dogecoin, but you can see that this is another whale, which is the 12th largest holder of Dogecoin, and just in the last 24 to 48 hours they've purchased another $10 million worth of Dogecoin. So definitely there are a lot of whales on the back end which are expecting the price to increase very quickly, and this is one of the biggest whales that was created, and that the fact that it's at nearly 41 cents already gives you perspective that the whales do not expect the Dogecoin price to slow down anytime soon. 65,000 Bitcoins will withdraw. We talked about this, but in the last 4 hours, about $7 billion worth of Bitcoin being taken out of the exchanges is kind of impressive. Because what does this mean? While these people are not expecting to sell right now, they're going to be holding for the long term. Bitcoin ETF surpasses 100 billion in asset. A preview of Bitcoin's move to 100k? That's a question. Now let me just tell you one thing. The way that Bitcoin is performing right now, it's definitely going to be exceeding expectations. Maybe at 100k we might be seeing a little bit of a volatile market, but overall the market is going to be in an uptrend for the coming days. Now Coinbase sponsors another NBA team with LA Clippers deal. Why is this a big deal? Because Coinbase and crypto.com are definitely putting the name out there. They want to ensure that they are able to show everyone that crypto is a big thing and you need to enter, and entering these big, you know, traditional markets, which is like basketball, NBA, is a big deal. JP Morgan Chase, Mastercard sell crypto style business to business payment tech. JP Morgan is trying to get involved with the crypto. Now SEC commissioner to leave agency following Chairman Gary exit. This is another person in the SEC that will be taking a leave when our boy Gary takes a leave. Now does this mean that SEC is falling apart? I don't know. It would be something for you to make a decision about. And Popular Trader says Dogecoin is set to conquer $1, secure king of crypto title, and here is why. There is so much happening for Dogecoin right now. The amount of money that's actually flowing through it, it definitely deserves a lot bigger attention. I mean, the trading volume is up nearly 50% in the last 24 hours. So let me tell you, we got a long way to go. Be a little patient. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you soon.